How do I rename a file to htaccess in Windows 7? I'm using xampp to test a PHP script. Now, in the root of the folder I want to place a .htaccess file according to the requirements of the script. But Windows won't let me rename it to .htaccess. Is there any way to go around it? I'm using Windows 7 RTM.
This link discusses the same problem on XP. I'll let you read it and decide if it applies to Windows 7, but the solution involves using a command line. Edit. It starts from the fact that Windows will let you create an htaccess.txt file. Then type will do the trick.
Thanks to this URL I learned a new trick. Since this page shows up in Google Hire for that error message, I thought I'd link it here too. Essentially, if you want to do it in Explorer, name it .htaccess. With a trailing dot. The trailing dot tells Windows what the extension should be, and the initial dot and letters tell it what the file name, without extension, should be. It appears that a file without an extension is permissible, but not one without a file name. Fortunately, a file without an extension requires no dot, so we get the deletion that creates the file name we wanted, which is just an extension. See the file type that Windows reports? You can do this with any string, not just htaccess. It makes a little sense to me because files that start with a dot have special meaning.
Don't create the file in Windows Explorer. Create it in whatever program you are using, Notepad, Vim, Eclipse, whatever. Then select Save As and make sure all files is selected. Type in htaccess. It should work. The all files is to prevent the program automatically adding a file type extension, for example, htaccess.txt.
One thing you could do is use another file as the .htaccess file. Open up the httpd.conference, or whatever the XAMPP setup calls the Apache configuration file. Look for the line that starts with access file name and change the value at the end to something that Windows will allow you to save it as. If you don't find that line, just add the above in. Then restart your XAMPP. You will have to remember to rename it when you upload to the live site though.
If you want to aproveitar, é só se versar